On the lines, please. In 3, 2, 1, crescendo.
Rolling forward with match number 91 here on the Johnson Division. Our first 15 seconds of pre-programmed action full of speaker notes. I was going to say particularly on the Blue Alliance side, but the Red Alliance actually strung together quite a few of them there as well. Just one such speaker note separates your two alliances, 5-point difference as drivers now take the controls and up and right at them there. The notes getting passed forward by, that was Texas Torque that launched the one. Entering the stratosphere briefly there. Torque is now back at the Red Alliance amp, picking up 1 point at a time for that Red Alliance and getting ready for future amplification cycles while the Blue Alliance settles into their passing strategy. That one's going to show the high fives and It Can passing forward to the Martians. Martians, a pretty common receiver in passing strategies this year. They tend to sit right near that amp and the speaker and convert all those past notes that they can into Alliance score. They had an amplified speaker there for a little while that helped them close up some of the score gap between them and Red. Now 7 points separating. Note gets passed forward on the Red Alliance side. Twisted Devils down to Texas Torque. Torque with a note in front of them at the amp and the speaker. They and their alliance partners, Cyber Tribe, putting together a huge coalition of notes in that upper speaker. 78 points on the board so far, and they've already got the next notes ready as they start passing them down the field towards the amp, although one rings itself around the ref panel just outside the field. Took 2 passes to get along, but then there is the note getting scored, this time by Cyber Tribe in the 1-point amp for Red. Blue Alliance thinking of what they want to do to try to catch up here. Martians go to the speaker. Note gets launched upwards but bounces back at them. Second time's the charm, and they'll amplify the speaker on the way in to make that a 5-pointer. And now we have a solid safety light on the high fives machine. We'll wait for them to get some signal back to that robot and get moving again here in our end game period, which begins right about now. Climbing up, Red Alliance, Twisted Devils, getting the 3 points. Make that 4 after the spotlight from the human player. And a trap note pending on the way. They've got 10 seconds to make it connect. Martians looking to mirror that on the far side there. Note also making its way into the trap section of the stage. It lands at the buzzer for the Martians. And over on Red, Cyber Tribe was able to pick up there and wins that one 122-88. And in the process, scoop up all 4 of the available ranking points to them. And that will be a welcome jump on the leaderboard for all 3 of those teams on that alliance. Looks like by 7 places.